Hello there. Hey, notaries. I'm Sia Bryant. And if you are brand new to the remote online notarization space, especially on platforms like notarize.com, also known as Proof, stop what you're doing and watch this first. Today, I'm breaking down the number one mistake I see new online notaries make and how you can avoid it. Start building your confidence and your income faster. Okay. Now, you might think that the biggest mistake is getting on the wrong platform or not knowing the tech or maybe even undercharging, but nope, that's not right. The number one mistake I see new notaries make is waiting too long to go live. Let me tell you why waiting kills your momentum. Too many people are stuck in preparation mode. You've passed the training, you've signed up on Proof, you've done the tutorials, and yet you're not taking calls. You're waiting until you feel perfectly ready. But here is the truth. You don't get ready by waiting. You get ready by doing. I've seen notaries sit on the platform for months without taking a single call and they never gain traction. Okay. What happens when you wait too long? When you delay, you forget what you've learned, your confidence drops, you start doubting your decision to even become a notary. Okay. Here's what you do instead. Okay. This is what I tell every notary I mentor. Number one, go live early, make mistakes, learn quickly. Number two, practice mock calls with someone if you're nervous. And the third thing is to take those first 10 to 15 calls, even if they're simple ones. Okay. You're going to build your rhythm and your confidence, and then you will be on your way. Now, this is exactly what we do at the Notary Growth Academy. We do mock calls, we do live Q&As, and I walk you through what to say, how to prep, and how to recover if things go sideways. And guess what? I've had instances where things have gone sideways and I recovered, and I'm still here to tell the tale, right? So if you're ready to stop waiting and start growing, join the Notary Growth Academy today. Get real feedback, practice real mock calls, and get access to me in a community of notaries doing exactly what you're trying to do. Now, and right now, the next five, oh, nope, it's not five. We don't have five slots available. Still, there are a couple slots available to join for $25 a month before the price goes up. First come, first serve. The link is in either my bio or the description below. Now, if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more notary tips, tools, and mock call walkthroughs every single week. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest fear about going live? Let's talk about it. See you in the next video and inside the Academy. Bye.